Hi friends, welcome to Kids Vids. I hope we're all doing well. So as you know, there's something called Pop-Its. And Pop-Its are like stress buster toys, just like fidget spinners. But the problem is, if you want to buy Pop-Its, it costs money. So I've decided to make a video on how to make a Pop-It with just a plain square of paper. And this is how a Pop-It looks like. Just open it up. And pop, 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 and pop. And then you can turn it over and then pop, 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 and pop. And then let's do it once more. Pop, 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 and pop. So without further ado, let's get started. So to build a Pop-It, you're gonna need a square sheet of paper. You can use any size of paper as long as it's square. And also pay very close attention to the fold I'm doing. Because you'll have to replicate them on your paper too. And if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video or restart the whole thing so you can see my folds over and over again so you can understand them better. So let's get started. So first, take the paper and fold like this. Fold the paper like this. Fold it diagonally like this. Also, give it a sharp crease, but don't do it too sharp, otherwise you might rip your paper. Now, you should have a line on your paper like this. And now, take the corner with the line and then fold it. Do the same thing on this side. And do the diagonal fold. And a sharp crease. Now open it up and then you're gonna fold this corner to the center. And repeat on all the other three sides. Also, make sure you're matching edge to edge correctly. Now it should look like a smaller square. And now unfold everything. Just redo the fold you did to make them a little sharper. Like that. And now you're going to turn it over. And we're going to fold it in half both directions. Make sure the edges align. And give a tight crease. Unfold and repeat on this side. And now, you're gonna fold this side, this flap, to the center. Align the edges. And a sharp crease. Unfold and repeat on the other three sides. Now you should have a bunch of creases on your paper. So there should be a square, a small square in the middle, an X, and a diamond. And now, it should work. But it's not working that well. So I'll show you how to make it better. Take these two corners, pinch both of these, and pinch both of these too. But first, let's start off with these. So put them to the middle like this. This is going to be one of the trickiest folds. Put these to the middle. Put these to the middle. And then take these two corners. Fold them in half, something like this. And then push it down. If you don't understand this fold, rewind it and watch it again. And then take this flap and fold it over. And now you're gonna crease as hard as you can. Now, if you crease it really well, the Pop It should work better. Now let's see how it looks like. Oh, also I forgot to mention, it's also a monster pop-up card. Now let's unfold everything, and now let's test it out. So pop, 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 and pop. Now I'll pop the center and the four corners, and I'll repeat on that side too. This is also very satisfying, but there's one catch. You're gonna have to pop in the center first if we're doing it on this side, and then do the four corners. But when you turn it over, when there's the square, you're gonna wanna start off with the four corners and then the middle. And you're gonna wanna push these corners together so the middle sticks up to pop. And pop. And in this position, it can also spin a little bit. Pop, 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 pop. Guys, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And also, if you want more origami videos just like this Pop It, then put it in the comment section down below. Bye! Stay tuned for my next video.